Hello crafters, so today I'm back and today I'm going to be reviewing and showing you what I made with this Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine issue 174. So if that sounds good, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and yes. So before I even start with the unboxing, I thought I'd tell you why I haven't been kind of posting videos. I haven't posted a video in about 3 weeks, and the reason why is I've been really busy with lots of school projects. I have been doing a fashion project, a business project, English, and probably a poetry film project, and that's been taking a lot of time and a lot of practice and a lot of getting ready for the events after school, and I haven't really been able to have time to do anything with card making or anything. And I've also been doing a lot of different projects like the embroidery punch needle, which thanks to everybody who supported that video, it's got over 600 views, which is very good for me, and the other video, the tutorial, also is doing very good, so thanks so much. And yeah, I've just been really busy with lots of different things, and anyway, I decided to buy this kit because it was my birthday recently and I thought I would treat myself to a little thing, and I saw this in the shop and I could not resist at all. And the reason I bought this was the Altenew Layered Rose set, and I'm also always saying I would not buy the magazine, no offense, if they didn't have the kit, the Altenew thing. And as I've bought lots of these Simply Card magazines before, and I think I have like 4 of them, and they all have Altenew kits in there. I'll link a little playlist and some videos here, so you might want to check those out. There's some beautiful sets you can get with the magazines, and this was $9.88, basically $9.90, and that's a very good price for a set of dies. So basically you get like the set of dies and the magazine free, and it's a very cheap set of dies. And if you don't know already, Altenew has been coming out with these beautiful layered flower dies. I haven't really been buying any because I've been kind of convincing myself I don't need it, like I don't have the paper, yada yada. But anyway, I saw this and I was just saying I have to buy it, so I did. So we're just going to kind of go through tour. You get 71 digital downloads. I don't really do that. You can save 25% of craft stash. I don't really buy that. Okay, sorry. And these are some of the project ideas. Beautiful, as you can see. And really nice. So I'm going to open this. And again, this is the Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine issue 174. And if you want this, I would recommend getting it. I don't know if this is the March or the April set. I don't know how they do that. But, yeah. So, first things first, the present. This is the beautiful present. So, yeah, little thing there. And you'll see you might need a shim. So, here you get a leaf and a flower. So that's very good, and the way I'm going to do it, I don't have a lot of colour cardstock. Actually, I probably do have a lot of colour cardstock, but to get the most out of it, you can obviously watercolour or blend some distress inks or even just normal ink pads onto it. That's probably what I'm going to be doing. And then I'm going to open this, and this is the magazine. I'm going to read this tonight in front of the television or something. Can't wait. So I guess now I'm just really going to flip through my magazine, enjoy it, and I'm going to make some cards with this. I'm very excited. It's going to be great. So yeah, I'll see you, and I'll show you all the cards I make. So I'm back, and now I'm going to show you all of the cards I made. I actually made quite a lot. I just kind of sat down, watched some things on YouTube, and I made a lot of flowers. I cut them, and my tip for assembling the flowers is actually I'm just using some PVA glue, but by any means use anything you want. I would recommend using multimedia matte if you have it, but too expensive for me for the bottle, so I'm just using PVA glue and it turns out fine. Sometimes you get some little glossy parts, but I mean, who cares at the end of the day. So yeah, and some of these I coloured in myself. I just coloured the paper with some markers, Pro markers and Sistrunner Grunner markers, and the others I just used some paper I had. So anyway, this is the first card I made, and if you want to see how I made actually the majority of these backgrounds, they're in this video here, my watercolour background video, 5 watercolour backgrounds, so check that out. And this is the first one I made. I only made 3 different colours of flowers. I made grey, blue and pink. But of course in the future I'll be doing more, so I have to get this video together. That's the first one. Second one, I really wanted to do this with a frame, so I did. This was an old Do Crafts Anita's decoupage thing or something like that, and you can see that this is actually with the markers, and I kind of should have made a bit more difference between the layers, but look at the end of the cards again. This one I really like. I think it's very striking. This one I wanted to go with an entire pink thing, but then I added in the leaves because I thought it was a bit plain. So there's that. I also added some stalks with Tim Holtz stamps. I have a video on that as well, 1 stamp 5 cards, so check that out. And this is a really striking one, but with a very simple, just one flower. But I love the background. It's my favourite from my the watercolour video. This was actually the first card I made, and I really loved it. I loved the stenciling in the background. This was actually a stencil, well, it's kind of a recycled stencil I got from this little hotel brochure, and I took it for that, and I cut it apart, and I really like it. And it's on black paper, and I just went through the stencil with some white stayed on ink. So I did a grey one, and the first one a pink one, which is my favourite one. For this, it's kind of a 2 cards made out of one background thing, and kind of inspired by Jennifer Maguire. This is a background I had in my embossing video, actually. It's carded up here, and I gold copper embossed it, and I really liked the background, but I thought it was a bit too much for one card, so I cut it diagonally and stuck it on, and it's very simple cards. This one is lots of shimmer. I don't think you can see it very well, but yeah, I probably should add a leaf there, but look, who cares at the end of the day. This is one I really like as well. I just like the way the flowers are. So, and I will be adding sentiments to these when I need them or in the future. Probably using some Altenew sentiment things. It's just, I don't know what I'm going to be using them for yet. So, anyway, that's all for today. And here are my dies. And again, the magazine. Just to recap, it's Simply Cards and Papercrafts, issue 174. I don't know what month that is, but I definitely would recommend getting it because you get the dies for quite cheap, and as you can see, you can make lots of different things with it. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Tell me down below you want more of these, and subscribe so I can continue making these, and like, because that also tells me you want more of these videos. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!